Yeah, Sveno Mick here from Svenson mowing. Now I've just finished prepping all these saws up for another week's work. Like I say, we've got a rain day today, so I've got stuff going on everywhere. So what I've done is I've cleaned these things out completely, pulled them all apart, pulled the bar off, cleaned the bar out as you see in the video. They're all back together and sharpened. Now I spray them down with a dewatering fluid in and around the, not get in the clutch, but in and around the clutch. And just quickly, roughly go over them. You can see they've got a bit of a shine on them, so just give them a bit of spray down. But no, I don't think it affects the plastic that much. And by the time it's affected the plastic completely, if it does, saws will be well and truly worn out. Now, basic stuff here that I've used for this is a CRC or a WD-40 type dewatering fluid. Lanolin, Lennox, it's lanolin, so it's anti-corrosion. That's all good and around the roller on the bar. I've got two different types of, I've got a Sveno handle on the filer, that works well, it's just with a file, and I've got the steel guide which works well. This come in the steel kit. That there, that's to clean out the bar. This end, that's what I use it for, to rake it out, and the other end's for raker depth. And this here, as you can see, it's got 30-degree cuts there, so you really can't stuff up the angles if you sharpen at 30 degrees, which is pretty good for basic. But I'll just leave it at that. Sveno Mick. If you could give a thumbs up, that'd be good. Sveno Mick from Svenson's mowing. Sveno Mick out.